Okay, I think we're good on the effects. Let's take a listen on the entire section here. All right, and that is our effects section pretty much complete. Wasn't a lot necessary. There wasn't a lot needed to be done really, because like, you know, if you have a lot of the track filling up a lot of the space, there's not really much to do as far as effects. But like I said, it is important to have them. I mean, you can't get rid of these guys. They're like, you can see, like we only have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of effects, but it is really the contrast between when you heard the track without it, with it, it's night and day to me. You can hear the glue between sections with the impacts, and how you have like all these little sounds going on that just keep you interested throughout the track, besides the melodic element of the track. So yeah, we're now ready to move on to the final session of our track here, and that's going to be the mix down and mastering session. So I will see you in the next video.